Good morning. Day 5, day 1 for our friends. We're all together at Mimaru Nihonbashi Suiten Gumai. First day out, and it's pouring, of course. Today we're supposed to go to Shibuya Sky. We'll see if that ends up happening. But we're gonna make the most of the day. Looking like marshmallow. Me and Man are kind of matching. Yay! Day 1. Day 1 with the girlies. Let's get it. We're at 7-Eleven. Everybody's here. Oh, no peace. No. Show me your sandal. Oishii. Oyakodon. Onigiri. First time trying it. Open from the top. It's kind of big, but it's okay. Oh, look at that. いただきます。Big chunks of chicken. Oh, good. It's a oyakodon onigiri. A bite. This is mochi.
This?
Mochi. It's a mochi nikuman.
Not meat?
It is meat. Did they give you any sauce?
No.
Nice and warm. Not that hungry, but this food is good. On this episode of Is It Metal? We're in Muji, looking around and mostly going to the bathroom. Her store everyone's in. Yeah, just gonna chill, shop around. A lot of the clothes are for like springtime. So. We're looking for Smiskis. We have limited energy, so here we go. Tokyu hands, Smiskis, 9th floor, Ginza. So says the worker. Feeling optimistic. I didn't have any at Loft, and maybe we should have asked instead of going all through the floors, but nonetheless, let's get going. 9th floor, everyone. 9th floor, everybody.
Oh, they have hippers.
Hippers. Okay, pretty soon we're gonna have an unboxing. We're excited. Excited to be here. Let's go back. You know, all the fresh stuff's in the back.
Let me check.
All right.
Cheers.
Do you want one too?
Gabby
Hipper?
wants the cheer.
We're going to Hipper. Hippers. All right, what else? I want the bathroom one. Museum.
Is there no living room one?
Living? Living. This one? The cheer one? Or is that lame? The yoga ones are cute. Let's do go yoga. Got the goods. Let's go open these. Lots of little plants. Also have some snack gacha. Then they have momofusan, I think. Yeah, there's only 2 of them left. Little Totoro charms. I think this one is so cute. It's my favorite. Or even this one is cute. I feel like it would fall off. Hey, what are you doing here? my little doggy. On this episode of Is This Metal? It is 4 photos. Yeah. Or we could just do 1, 1, 1. Like this. Yeah. Did I do it? Oh, so cute. Which one should I roll for? They have an olden one. I don't know. I'm not loving any of these to get it. Should I get one? Can't decide. All right, we're rolling for chicken. What color do you want?
He wants the black one.
Okay, I don't think he got the black one. I think I might got a peach. Oh!
No way!
Oh, scared me.
Oh, it's an egg. It's
Wait, why
not
is it
even
in there?
chicken.
Oh, you got this one. You got the black egg.
That's a black egg.
Okay, the
don't
kangaroo.
get
He
this
wants the
one,
kangaroo.
I will throw a fit.
Okay, let's see it. Open it.
Oh, it's a tiger. I'm not tiger.
Let's see the fit. Throw that fit. Oh, it's in
that's
pieces.
Oh, you have to.
Oh, you have to do
him.
We're gonna go eat in here. There's food at the bottom floor, and then there's food up on the second floor. So we're gonna find the elevator or escalator. There's lots of shopping in here too. In Ginza. Oh, that one looks good. Cheers! To lunch.
Oh, this is too big to carry though.
I'm gonna try soba first. Onion in here. Wasabi. Wow. So good.
First sit down meal.
I know. The soba is like al dente. So good. Oh wow. So good.
I think they gave us fish too.
Oishii. Some rice. Kabocha too. Wanna try it? So light.
I like that.
There's so many times I can go to the Konbini. Wanna enjoy. Wanna sit down and savor, even though I'm not savoring for that long. Shibuya Sky rooftop is closed. Surprise, surprise. Guess we'll go see what it's like inside. All right, here we go. To the observatory indoor only. Can't see anything, but if you go down, look at that. You can get right up close and personal. Look at that. But then there's nothing here. Back in Shibuya, my old stomping grounds. The besties are here. Oh, glad you like it. It's wild. Yeah, I used to go to all these clubs and all these restaurants. It is pretty grimy, but in my opinion, it's not as bad as Shinjuku. Shinjuku is worse. I feel like it's gotten way more crowded, way more icky. Shibuya is more nostalgic for me, but it is kind of icky still.
I don't know if you go to an American city.
Not a lot of the bars that I used to go to are here, but it's still a cool time to like walk around and explore.
What is it? Oh, it's the fox! I didn't want the fox, but it's okay.
We're opening our hipper Smiski. What is that? Oh, I got the hanging one! Spider-Man!
This is fun! Wow! That's literally the secret one!
I want. Oh, there's a secret one. I want. I think the octopus one. I think this is the. What is the
Oxalis or whatever.
Yeah. The
Oxalis one.
Little, I don't know what position that is. Or the one with the little